Hey, this is Bob Janess from Flawless Freedom, and in this video I will explain affiliate marketing for beginners. The introduction of affiliate marketing may be very overwhelming for beginners, and people who are just beginning may easily be distracted by all the strategies available for marketing. However, if you plan your actions and focus on this, you will make a difference. But first, you need to realize that affiliate marketing takes a lot of time and effort to build your affiliate business. You need to focus on this, otherwise you will end up frustrated. Membership marketing for beginners can be confusing, but when you develop an action plan and focus, it will become easier. So here are some of the things you will need to have. Thousands of affiliate programs will attract you to join them and promise to obtain huge profits with very low investment. If you participate in fierce competition, please expect to spend precious time around fictitious profit margins. You must learn the correct method of internet marketing to get actual profits. Internet novices have a major advantage. They can buy off-the-shelf products that can be sold to generate cash immediately. When mastering this method, you can now earn about $10,000 per month. Find a good mentor before entering affiliate marketing. There are hundreds of sites and thousands of online marketing opportunities. Search engines provide a way to attract traffic or buyers interested in products. If the buyer does not see the page that you want to advertise, it does not mean that the buyer does not get what they want. You can be sure that other websites are selling at your cost. Just make the web page appear in front of the seller at the exact time when the seller is looking for that product. This is only one example of how member products are marketed. Online marketing is a scientific process that constantly changing as technology advances. Unless your business plan clarifies the entire marketing blueprint and you have a sufficient understanding of the processes and changes to be implemented, you will likely compete for higher positions in search engines. Ideally, you should look for an excellent mentor to teach you the basics in an easy-to-understand and implementable way without the technical knowledge required to sell products. If you want to learn about member marketing for beginners, please follow the success stories and recommendations published on marketing forums, review sites, and rank based on the published member sales revenue. The good news is that if you follow the instructions provided, you can use several programs that can bring you a lot of benefits. Treat affiliate marketing as a serious business. You may have heard that only 5% of affiliate marketers actually made money. The reason is simple. If you are not cut out to run a business and complete the processes required for profit, then you will not make money. So the question is online marketing effective? The internet is a rapidly developing and vibrant atmosphere. The membership program you join must provide technical expertise, back-end support, and must keep pace with the times. For example, ebooks on product marketing must provide up-to-date information to help users follow the ethical processes used to promote products. As long as you find the right program, are willing to learn, and find the right mentor, membership marketing is very easy for beginners. Promote something. The purpose of becoming an affiliate member is to promote others' products, so you need to decide what kind of product you want to promote. When deciding on a product to promote, please take some time to understand the product. Get as much information about the product as possible and understand the product. This will improve your credibility, your readers can feel you are sincere, and people will know that you are talking about something. Promote your product somewhere. Membership marketing for beginners involves many aspects, including building a web page, a website, any form of a login page, a squeeze page, or just a blog. Many times affiliates freeze at this stage. They are afraid of the process involved in building a web page. However, the construction of blogs has become easier to use, and the price has become much lower. The ease of creating a website. To make it easier for you, you can simply create a simple blog using free resources. You have to build traffic to your web page or blog. Don't expect the customers to find you. You need to do something so they can find your website and attract attention. Member marketing for beginners now involves different marketing types that have recently emerged, so there is no reason to keep your website free of traffic. Compared to previous types of advertising, you would need to pay per clicks so that you could advertise your website. Now you can use other free resources to generate a lot of traffic for your website. This is what they call backlinks. The popularity of a website now depends on the number of backlinks a website has. How you can find good products to promote. One of the most important components of affiliate marketing is to choose the right products to promote. The fact is, even if your offers are flooding in, you won't see many sales if the products you choose to promote are not worth a dime. You may also damage your reputation in the niche marketing by recommending poor products. So how can we find good products to promote? Before deciding on a product, the following 4 factors need to be considered. Is there demand for the product? You may be exposed to many products and there was not much research done at all. If the demand for the product is not there, please discard it. You should be looking for products that many people want and need. This can take the form of tutorials, memberships, user guides, videos, etc. You should also be looking at the commission structure. What would your bottom line profit be? It's best to check your final profit, not just what the percentage will be. I think you will agree, it's better to get 30% commission for a $100 product than 75% commission on a $10 product. In addition, you may want to consider whether the product is a recurring payment product or a one-time payment. Sometimes it is worth promoting a regular $10 commission instead of a one-time $50 commission. We should also consider, is the sales letter of the product convincing? Is the order button visible? Also, check the bonuses provided by the product owner. Check whether the bonuses are tempting or just a pile of useless materials that nobody will really care about. If the sales letter is not convincing, you will have difficulty converting visitors into buyers. You should also consider, have any tools been created for the members to use. Although I don't recommend you use canned ads that come with the affiliate tools, good graphics, testimonials, backstories, etc. are very useful for the marketing. Having a good range of membership tools can also be a good indicator on how the product owners are supporting their members. You as an affiliate introduce or sell company products in exchange for commissions. You need to understand this basic concept. This is very similar to selling products offline. The difference is that sales processes becomes faster and has a wider reach, just because millions of internet users are using their computers or laptops every day to find online products. Types of affiliate marketing. Today, affiliate marketing programs are becoming more and more popular for making money online. There are many reasons for this situation. The most common reason is that the business has a great potential, can obtain profits for a very low cost, and is very simple to start the company. Membership marketing now plays a vital role in the internet marketing world. Affiliate members can choose different types of programs and start making money online. Let's discuss pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is the most common affiliate marketing model for members of small websites and can be the fastest way to make money. It is a practice for members to position product ties on retailer websites onto their websites. Whenever someone visits the merchant's website by clicking a link on the member's website, the member receives a certain commission. The commission shall be paid on the basis of the number of visits to a member's website. Normally, the company does not make a lot of money for participants, so the reward sum is very low. Pay-per-view. PPS is the most common model for member marketing programs today. In this model, advertisers pay commissions for the sale of their products. In this type of model, website owners place an advertisement on their website, and if any visitors click on the advertisement and purchase the product, the website will receive a commission. Pay for performance model. Pay for performance is another popular membership model in the industry. It is the highest salary model for members. In this model, merchants only pay affiliate members when their recommendation is turned into action. That is, the recommended visitor actually purchases products for the merchant's website, or when the visitor becomes a potential customer. This would mean that the merchants are making a lot of money. Paying by potential customer. The membership model of paying by potential customer is often used by financial and insurance companies engaged in the development of potential customers of the company. In this model, the visitor, through the efforts of the member, pays the member when the visitor fills out the registration form or similar documents or provides any type of personal information on the merchant's website. The pay-per-link model. Members place the links to the merchant products on their website. The owner pays based on the number of links you put on your website and the amount of traffic generated. Pay per registration model. After redirecting from your website, the number of people who will register at the merchant site or quote for their offer is considered registered. For every registration provided by your website, you will get paid. If you want to make money through affiliate marketing, you must study it carefully and consider whether you are willing to spend the time to make it work. In addition, please study carefully the types of products you want to sell. Check various providers and compare the commissions made by each provider for the sale. Now I know this has been a lot of information to take in all at once. So in the coming weeks, I plan to break it all down. You will need clarity. Will you want to start a membership site? Will you create your own digital product? Or will you study and promote other creators' valuable products? If you found value today, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.